Hey there, online students. This is Dr. Buick coming to you from my office on campus. I hope you're enjoying today. It's been a little rainy off and on, so it's been a little kind of dreary at times and then sunny at times. Always muggy because that's the hot weather in Dallas. But at any rate, this is going to be a fairly short update. Not a whole lot to discuss. It's a normal week coming up, and so just a few things to cover with you. I do want to let you know that the library has recently gone through an upgrade that I think is pretty exciting. They have moved from the BibLoss management software that they were using now to WorldCat, which gives us some new features and abilities to do certain things, which I'm pretty excited about. So I encourage you to go to the library website and poke around a little bit. One thing that I found is that my prior library login did not work. You actually have to reset your password and use a new login, or at least a new password. So if you want to do some of the more particular features, you'll have to go through that route. So I encourage you to poke around, look at some of the information there, and learn about how to use it. In NT103 at present, we are now working through the study guides, and we will be doing this actually until the end of the course. As you know, the study guides are designed to give you lots of information about the passage. We want you to learn to think grammatically and syntactically, and of course part of that is by actively working with syntax by answering the questions, but a lot of it is just reading discussion and reading information about the particular things that you see in the text. So please read those carefully and think through what you're seeing. If you have questions, don't hesitate to contact me about them. I do want to remind you that the first three study guides are going to be done in groups. I've divided the class into two separate groups of 3 students each, and so you will work together. There are various discussion areas that you can use to ask and answer questions to work together. So take full advantage of those. I do want this to be group work. And what you'll need to do is to appoint one person in the group to upload the assignment, and then it automatically gets attached to everybody's record. And then when I grade it, that grade will then be attached to everybody's record. So no multiple submissions. You just need to appoint one person to to submit that. And you'll also notice that Quiz 2 is coming up. This quiz is going to be a little different. It's focusing not on syntax from Dr. Wallace's text, but from parsing and translation from John chapter 4, verses 1 through 42. So make sure that you have done the translation, that you are fairly aware of some of the more difficult words. You can imagine I might ask you a couple of those. You'll have about 7 words to parse and then a couple of verses to translate. So let me know if you have any questions as you get ready for that. As I said, this update is short but sweet. I hope that it's helpful to you. Don't hesitate to contact me with whatever you may need by email. And take heart. We are close to halfway done with the summer courses already. So I hope that that's an encouragement to you. I hope you have a great week, and I look forward to interacting with you online.